Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. The good news is the rest of the metal's here, the rest of the trim's here, the rest of the screws are here. But the bad news is the big windstorm we had last night damaged the house wrap. I haven't even seen what it looks like yet. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. Cindy came out early in the morning. She was going to feed the horses, and she said that she put some stuff up against it to try to hold it down. We had 50-mile-an-hour gusts the other day, and this is what it did. Okay, so that's not going to be too bad. Probably should have put some more staples in this. I should have taped it as well, but in the last video you could see that I got staples all over the entire face of this into every girt, and that held just fine. So today, in this 8-degree weather, which is, I don't know, maybe 16, 17 below zero in Celsius, I'm going to have to get out here and fix this the entire way. I'm going to have to clean up this rat guard molding a bit and tape it at the bottom. Then it should be just fine. And hopefully, if there's enough time, I can open up these doors so I can get in and out. I'm going to leave this plastic up. I put this plastic up to keep the wind out of here, and it did a pretty good job. You've seen that it did get damaged, but I don't know what the damage would have been if this wasn't here. This was just cracking back and forth. The wind was so strong. Yeah, that really sucks that we got gusts to 50 miles an hour. Got a few things blown down here, but it is what it is. The house wrap had to go on when it went on, and now I'll have to just fix this bottom here, which shouldn't be too bad. Luckily, there's no big tears or anything or damage up there that I need to get on a ladder to fix. This stuff, I'll just have to get on my knees, go the whole length of this, and hammer tack it, because my regular stapler busted as well, and I have yet to get that fixed. All right, let's get working on this. I'm gonna have to go back and forth between working on this and going in the house and warming up my hands, because like I said, it is very, very cold out here. Okay, good news. The other day, this stapler jammed up really bad. I couldn't even get it open, so I switched over to the hammer tacker. Problem with the hammer tacker is I need to hold that house wrap down tight and staple right next to my hand, and swinging this thing is just not a good way to do that. You need to be able to pull it tight and then shoot a staple in. So I took this in the house, warmed it up, and took a hammer and screwdriver. You got to drive this down and pull it out and then clear the jam. I actually made a video on that if you want to look it up, if you got a jammed arrow stapler, but that's not likely. But I got her all cleared and I'm ready to get to work. What else? Oh, I'm going to need to wipe the molding as I go, get it nice and clean so I can get some tape on there as well. And here and there, I'm going to have to go in the house and warm up because it is insanely cold out there. All right, let's get to work. Okay, I got this fix completely done. Got it real nice and tight there. I need to go around and get a couple places like this. This corner and that corner are like that. But what I think I'm going to do really quick is open up the house wrap at, well, I'll probably go around and try to get it done on all 3 doors. It is really cold today and I have other work to do, so I really don't have that much time. So if I can get that done, then tomorrow maybe I could get the tops of both of these overhead doors done. That will leave me with just the windows before the Amish get here again. Yeah, this side is just fine. Beautiful. And between now and when the Amish are going to get here again, the only wind we're going to have, which is not good, but it's not that bad. We're going to have 13-mile-an-hour winds. I believe that's tomorrow. But Friday, they're calling for 4.5 inches of rain turning to snow, which is just going to make everything a miserable mess. Hopefully they're going to come on Thursday and knock this out. So let me get started opening up these doors. Okay, I think that's going to wrap it up for me today. It is insanely cold out here, and these GoPro batteries do not work well in the cold. Well, I don't think any lithium battery does real well in cold weather. The camera died, I had no idea, but it doesn't matter. I got both of the doors opened up and taped and stapled and all that stuff. I have my 3M flashing tape. I'm going to put a little bit more on that one tomorrow. But this 3M flashing tape is just awesome. But it's kind of hard to work with. And without gloves on, it's just too cold to be applying this stuff. This was the main thing. And this will hold up to any weather we're going to have before the tin goes on. It's going to be roughly 13-mile-an-hour winds tomorrow. But we're going to have sun, and it's going to be about 10 degrees warmer. So I have to get the rest of this stuff done tomorrow, no matter what. So I'm going to do a little cleanup here and start this again tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I got to get this top wrap on. I got to do the same on the back side. I got to open up the last 2 windows, and I have to get the windows in. And I have one more door to do this on. But like I said, it's going to be a bit warmer tomorrow, and I should be able to work all day and not have to keep going in and warming up. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.